Samantala, naghahanda naman ngayon ang Filipino community sa Vancouver para sa parating na Pista ng Bayan, kung saan ang lugar kung saan gaganapin ang pagtitipon, malapit sa kung saan bubuksan ang interim Filipino community space sa syudad.
We are a force to reckon with.
Ito ang pahayag ni Clifford Belgica, Program Director ng United Filipino-Canadian Association British Columbia o UFCABC, kaugnay sa pagiging Pilipino sa Canada ngayon. Komunidad na kinikilala sa taunang pagdiriwang ng grupo Pista ng Bayan.
Pista ng Bayan, it's been there for almost 20 years or so, 15 years under the United Filipino-Canadian Association. It has evolved throughout the years. But if you have noticed, lumipat na tayo sa downtown the last 5, 6, 7 years. Because ang dami ng event na Filipino events around the community, different cities, right?
Ang pagdiriwang ngayong taon, malapit sa lugar ng Interim Filipino Community Space na pasado sa Vancouver City Council Miyerkules.
We've been there downtown for the last few years, but yes, definitely that is where the new Philippine Center interim per se is going to open. That will be at the downtown library. And it's very nearby, right? So I think that's one way of celebrating too, that we are getting significant. The 200,000 Filipinos in downtown, in the province of British Columbia.
Ang Pista ng Bayan ngayong taon, pagkilala rin daw sa mga Pilipino at sa ambag ng komunidad di lang sa syudad, kundi sa buong Canada.
We want people to experience, the culture, the heritage that we have. In the guise of, once they experience it, they become part of it. They become, they imbibe this cultures and tradition, and on the guise of understanding that we are in a multicultural city, we are in a multicultural province, and we are in a multicultural country. And, we want to be able to actually foster understanding.
August 1 at 2, gaganapin ang pagdiriwang sa Robson Plaza sa Vancouver Art Gallery North. Ayon sa konsulado sa Vancouver, tampok din sa pagtitipon ang samut-saring Filipino-Canadian performers.
We are featuring a lot of local artists. We have almost 15 Filipino bands, right? Kasi sabi natin, why don't we celebrate the talents that we have? We have massive talents in British Columbia.
Nagpapasalamat daw si Belgica sa syudad ng Vancouver sa pag-invest sa mga event ng komunidad gaya nito.
The cause that we're championing is really for the community, and we are very thankful for the city for allowing us to do this. It's to have an event downtown.